Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys Tips and Tricks video. This week we want to show you an easy way of creating work orders and manufacturing orders when you are using the process sales orders function in MISys. So when we receive our sales orders from our customers and enter them into our accounting system, whether it's QuickBooks or Sage, we can pull them into MISys and create pegged sale work orders or manufacturing orders for the same. So for that, we go to our production menu and we find the process sales orders transaction. And immediately it'll ask us whether we want to retrieve the sales orders from the connected accounting software. In this case, it's QuickBooks. If the date here above, receive orders from date, is the date that we want to pull orders for, we can hit yes. And if not, we can hit no and then arrange that date and then hit retrieve again. So let's hit yes and let it bring the orders for us. It connects to our accounting software. And after a few seconds of connection, it will populate our screen with all the sales orders that are present in our accounting software that fall within the specified dates as the shipping date. If I open any of these sales orders, I see that they have, some of them at least, have more than one line. So for example, sales order 18, which is due May 13th for customer A, has two items that are in it that needs to be shipped out on the same day. And sales order 23 actually has three, whereas sales order 21 has a single line. So the difference here comes whether we're using manufacturing orders or work orders. For manufacturing orders, you cannot create a manufacturing order for the whole sales order because you can only create one manufacturing order for one product at a time. So you can either select the line of the specific product and create a manufacturing order for it, and then come back and create another manufacturing order for the second and third and fourth lines. Or if you want to use work orders as like a binder or folder to keep everything in, you could select the sales order line and hit create work orders, and which in case in turn would create a work order with each of these three lines as a separate work order line. Then you could go ahead and create manufacturing orders for that. And that's what we're going to focus today. So we can actually select all of our sales orders with the shift select and then hit, we can identify a location and we can hit create work orders. With that one click of a button, we have created 6 work orders, one for each sales order. Now, when we go to our work orders, we'll see that they're all created here with a reference to the sales order. So I can open the first one. And when I go to my details here, I will notice the 2 lines have been created and the transaction date is 5/7, and they all have their completion due date, which is really my shipping date, the 5/13. But what if I don't want to manufacture these items with a work order, but rather with a manufacturing order? Then I can use the same shift select to select both lines and go down here, create manufacturing orders for selected, hit that. It'll ask me if I want to create 2 new manufacturing orders to build these assemblies. I can say yes, and it has created the manufacturing orders successfully, and it's confirmed. And I can go ahead and save it and close it, and I can do the same for all of these. Here there is a single line. I can just select it and create my manufacturing order. Here's my manufacturing order, 1128 for FG 2001 for 125. And you'll notice completion date is 5/28, customer number and sales order number and a ship date that they're all brought in. So it is a pegged order. It is directly linked to the sales order. So I can save it I can release it if I want, if there is a parent-child relationship now, and we save our work order. We close. I just don't remember which is the one with the 3 lines. Here we go. And the same goes here. I shift select all 3 lines, and I can immediately create 3 manufacturing orders for these top level items. And if they require any child manufacturing orders, sub-assemblies, then I can actually dig directly into the manufacturing orders that are created and create child orders from those. And that is something we will cover next week. I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively. Please let us know if you have any questions.